Hi, I'm Divyaa Advaani, an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach, and founder of the brand Suave. I'm also an author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. On my channel, I discuss about various aspects of image consulting, image management, etiquette building, soft skills coaching, and a lot more. Usually, the colors that are in the same color family look the best together. Now, it's not always necessary that you wear the same colors each time. For example, if you wear a black denim and pair it up with a sky blue shirt, it is not always necessary that you play around the same color tone each time that you have to dress up. Instead, consider picking different colors to see how well do they match with each other, what combinations work well for you based on your skin tone as well. You could also consider creating combinations from different color families. For example, you could pick a navy blue bottom and pair it up with a purple color shirt. Different color families can help you analyze what colors look the best on you and what make you look more flattering. For course enrollments and appointments, you can log on to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. You could also subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to see detailed videos.